Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney version 5. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I'm on a server with a Midjourney bot on it, and here I'm going to write down /settings and I'm going to hit enter to open the settings menu. And here, as you can see, by default Midjourney runs in version 4. To activate version 5, just simply click on MJ version 5, and from now on Midjourney will automatically add the suffix --v5 to our prompt. So let's close this tab and let's create an image. To do that, I'm going to write down /imagine and let's hit enter. I'm going to write down my composition, which is going to be a portrait, and let's write down a subject here. So let's say tiger. Let's add some adjectives, and finally let's stylize this, and let's hit enter to generate this image. And here's our image, and that's basically how to use Midjourney version 5. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.